Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off notification of messages and call on the Snapchat. Because sometimes we are busy in families, office or any other work and we need to turn off notification of messages and call on the Snapchat. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily do this. So firstly, open the Snapchat and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options at top right corner. Click on it and then you will see notification options. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see sound. Click and you will see sound notification is on. Click on turn it off. So and ring option is also on, so turn it off. And also if you want to turn off notification of transactional message like get message or friend activity alert, story reminder, account info or more, so turn it off. And also you can turn off promotional message. So in this way you can turn off notification of messages and call on the Snapchat. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.